Let me introduce you to the new BMW iX3. This is the first car in BMW's new Neue Klasse range, and we have it here at Thatcher Research. One word sums it up: innovation. This is BMW's first drive-by-wire vehicle, which enhances its ADAS offering. We'll come to that later. The iX3 is built from the battery up. The new battery technology sits at the heart of the platform. You can see how innovation flows throughout every part of this vehicle's design and performance. And the headline number? Up to 500 miles EV range. That's a real game changer in everyday usability. Safety has moved on too. The Neue Klasse introduces new advanced ADAS features, including a new augmented reality head-up display and drive-by-wire technology, bringing digital precision into the driving experience. The adaptive cruise control has also been refined. You can apply braking without switching the system off, and that's key. This is the first system that we've assessed that allows the driver to do this. So please keep an eye out on AIQ, the vehicle-led research report, where we'll look further into the vehicle's safety, security, and sustainable repair of the BMW iX3.